Hello all my yarny friends, I'm Sara SAch and welcome back to my crochet channel. Today's video is our this or that question. And I get this question often. I know you're seeing naughty or nice on my shirt, but actually it's naughty but nice. Anywho, I get this question a lot. And on my YouTube videos, they'll say, do you have a written pattern? On every single one of my YouTube videos, underneath in that description box is a link that will take you to the blog that has the written pattern with pictures and lots of extra notes. And the reason that I'm asking this particular question today is because of that question of, do I have a written pattern? And so my question to you today on our this or that is, do you prefer a video tutorial or a photo tutorial? I do get asked all the time because people will say, I am a visual learner. But some people do prefer a still picture opposed to a video. All right, and so that's our question today. And it may seem like it's kind of a silly question or not that important, but it is very important because we all learn differently. Some of us are more artsy, some of us are more technical. Some of us can read a pattern and see it in our head, and some of us need pictures or visuals. And so that's why it's really important. It's important to me because, you know, I think everyone should crochet, no matter who you are, your age. If you're able to hold a crochet hook, you need to be crocheting. So, to bottom line the question, do you prefer a written pattern with pictures or a video tutorial? Or you might be like me where you kind of like both. Print off the pattern and follow along with the video. This will help me a lot in my pattern designing and writing and photos and videos. It will help me a lot to understand what you're needing and looking for. Now, please answer the question in the comments below the video. That way I can read them all. And I really do enjoy reading all the answers. Like I've said before, I sit down with my iPad in the afternoon and I just read through all those answers, and I learn so much about you all. And this will help me, like I said, make better videos or make better photo tutorials, because we all have a place where we need to learn, and I need to be teachable and learn along with you. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. I'm looking forward to reading your answers, and have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week for this or that. Bye-bye now.